What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Mr. Investor YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be covering a little bit of crypto news, not too much. We're going to touch on a little bit of Draper University and the Vechain partnership, a little World of V update, and that'll be it. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Bitcoin is sitting at 44,000. It has been some time since we've seen it at this price, and it's nice to see that it's going up in times like these. Our market cap is past 2 trillion, and the other thing to note here is those Ethereum gas fees are cheap. Anyways, VeChain price is currently sitting at 5.7 cents. That's an 18% gain for the week. I love to see it. So for some crypto news here, Grayscale launches smart contract fund for Ethereum competitors. Now I'm not going to read this whole thing. There's not much here in general, but I just think it's interesting that Grayscale is listing a fund called the Smart Contract Platform X Ethereum Fund, also known by the ticker symbol GSCPXE, which is the company's 18th investment product. Within this fund, you're going to have Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Polkadot, Polygon, Algorand, and Stellar Lumens. Moving forward, Russia's energy chief says it would accept Bitcoin for oil and gas. The heavily sanctioned country is scrambling to find ways to increase its revenue and has floated the possibility of allowing China and Turkey to pay for energy in Bitcoin. Now, originally, when I heard that the Western countries, NATO, you name it, were going to kick Russia off of SWIFT, I thought, okay, well, I wonder what they could use next. And Bitcoin came to my mind, and nonetheless, here we are. If they start accepting Bitcoin for oil and gas, I think it's going to be a huge game changer in the world, not only for crypto itself, but a huge game changer. Things are going to turn for sure, without a doubt. But nonetheless, that's great news for Bitcoin. It's great news for crypto. So that might be the reason why we see a pump today. Not too sure, but the quote here, according to Russian news media RBC, chairman of the State Duma Committee on Energy Navalny stated at a March 24th press conference that he and representatives from China and Turkey have been discussing changes to preferred settlement currencies for its biggest export. The quote says, "We have been proposing to China for a long time to switch to settlements in national currencies of rubles and the yuan. With Turkey, it will be lira and rubles. A set of currencies can be different, and this is normal practice. If there are Bitcoins, we will trade Bitcoins." Very interesting stuff. Next up, this is Goldman Sachs homepage. This is their front page of their website, and in big words there, it just says digitalization. From cryptocurrencies to the metaverse, explore the megatrends that are reshaping economies. We click the button here, and this is what shows up next here. It talks about the metaverse and Web 3.0. Framing the future is a report, and they have podcasts on this topic here. So is Goldman Sachs going to make a public move into crypto? I have to say yes, that they're going to, based off of what I'm seeing right here. If they haven't done already, that is, but I'm going to assume that they're going to make a big move into crypto without a doubt. So for crypto, again, this is pretty big news. Anyways, just to touch on some VeChain and Draper University, this is a video that I saw today, and I just want to play it for you guys.
Are you interested in the world of blockchain and Web3? Do you want to develop and expand your skills in the world of entrepreneurship and technology? Do you want to learn from major founders and facilitators of Silicon Valley? Introducing the Draper University Vechain Fellowship, a collaboration program where you will learn the fundamentals of entrepreneurship, the Vechain Tor blockchain, and the latest in Web3 technology. The best part? We have 40 scholarships available to future founders. Applications now open at draperuniversity.com.
So it's just a cool little
Are you
40-second
interested
video.
in the world?
Little 40-second video that I saw here that I just thought would be pretty cool to share with you guys. But this is the homepage of the Draper University website here, and if you scroll down, there's a nice little nice little banner here talking about the partnership and that they're launching the Fellowship and Web3 Accelerator programs. This is the Web3 Accelerator page here. It says a 12-week accelerator program delivered virtually for global high-growth blockchain companies. And this is going to be between July 11th and September 7th of this year. So this is going to be very important to be paying attention to what's going on during these days, because I think that maybe some big players or some big startups are going to get involved here. And I think it's going to be very important to pay attention to regardless. So it just says the optimal Web3 blockchain, Vechain, is easy to deploy, highly scalable, cost-effective, reliable, and secure. Venture capital, successful teams will secure $100,000 in funding for 5% and gain access to the venture network and the global network, a community of world-class investors, mentors, and facilitators, in addition to our global alumni network. So pretty cool here. This is the drapervechain.com. So this is like the partnership website is what I'm gathering from this. And again, it just mentions the fellowship, the Web3 Accelerator, building or scaling innovative projects in Web3. We'd love to hear from you. And it just gives you some more information. It takes you back to the pages we were just at. And then this is the Vechain Fellowship page here with this cool little video here on their little website here. But this is the Vechain Fellowship is a 4-week online certificate program for future founders to learn the fundamentals of entrepreneurship and blockchain by Silicon Valley legends and industry experts. The best part, we have 40 full-ride scholarships up for grabs thanks to Vechain. So, very exciting. I cannot wait to see this stuff. The deadline for this fellowship program is April 4th, and this will run April 18th to May 13th. So those are 2 blocks of dates that we want to pay attention to. If I see any news, see anything important, best believe I will share that with you guys 100% without a doubt. The next piece of news I just want to cover here, this is from World of V. I'm a big believer in World of V. I'm a big supporter of it. So this is just like a little update from Vet Lever, like the founder of it. And he says that in several occasions, the community has requested an updated roadmap outlining our vision for the coming months. As you guys know, we've been building nonstop over the last 2 months, implementing auctions, offers, PFPs, staking, collector and community boxes, and several other features to boost the overall experience on World of V and successfully onboard new users. Some of these features weren't planned in the first place, but we adapted, and now we're stronger and in the position to offer our community a competitive marketplace. Given the fluid nature of the NFT space at this stage, it's imperative we stay as agile as possible and go with the flow to accommodate the ever-changing market environment. Nevertheless, as we care deeply about our community, we would like to share with you our short-term goals that we plan to achieve. While we're executing on these points, we'll be simultaneously working on our long-term objectives, which we'll share more on whenever we can. And then they just go on to say, this is the marketplace upgrades that's going to be happening soon. A marketplace speed improvement, so it's going to get even faster within 3 weeks from now. New features to improve the collector and artist experience, and again, that's within 3 weeks. An inbuilt World of V Vechain swapping mechanism, that's pretty interesting. And then specifically to Genesis, full implementation of the Genesis collection into the marketplace. Right now it's on its own separate website from the marketplace, but they're going to be merging within about a month. And a new burning mechanism for Genesis DAO and World of V burn when Genesis are sold. That's also pretty interesting. Projects on onboarding. There's 3 new PFP projects confirmed so far in April and May. So if you're a World of V fan like I am, all we have to do is just sit back, be patient, and watch it all unfold in front of us, guys. Just to sum up this video, we're going to take a look at Vechain stats. We lost 1 X node. We're down to 2,557. There's a strength node that's gone here. The VUSD market cap hasn't really changed from the past couple days. It's kind of slowed down a little bit, but that's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed this, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter at TheMrInvestor. Until next time, I will see you guys then.